My friends in press and media, I, along with my branch officers who are heading the different departments in the Voltaire division, would like to tell you about the wonderful and the best ever performance which Voltaire division has done due to support of everyone. Voltaire division for first time in the history has achieved 150 million ton of handled traffic. So 150 million ton of handled traffic means that loading and unloading of total 150 million ton has been achieved by Voltaire division. As far as the loading is concerned, again on the loading front, Voltaire division has done the best ever performance of 85.09 million ton. This growth of Voltaire division is about 12.5 million ton more than what we have achieved last year. If we see the overall Indian Railways figure, the growth is about 50 52 million ton in the overall Indian Railway, out of which 12.5 million ton has been done by Voltaire division, which clearly reflects that the entire growth of Indian Railway 25% contribution is from the Voltaire division. As far as the growth of 12.5 billion ton is concerned, this is highest by any division in the Indian Railway. Similarly, when it comes to earning, the Voltaire division has achieved a growth of more than 1600 crore, and this more 1600 crore plus earning is again highest by any division in the Indian Railway. Voltaire division has again given, along with this loading, we have done a scrap disposal, because when a lot of maintenance activity occurs, so lot of scrap also get generated, and the division has sold a scrap of 165 crore rupees of scrap in the last financial year. That scrap disposal is also highest in the Indian Railway. When it comes to for maintaining all these loading figures or unloading figure, it is very essential that my assets are also being maintained, and I keep on providing better and better facilities to the passenger. On that front, the 23 stations of Voltaire division has been made Divyang friendly, and our aim is that by October of this financial year we will make all the stations Divyang friendly. That means a Divyang person, my Divyang friend, can come to every nook and corner of the station without any trouble. So that is what is our target. We have done 23 stations so far. When it comes to the level crossing gate, so Indian Railway is working on a mission where we are going for more and more safety. So 18 level crossing gate has been closed in the division by either making the LHS or the ROBs, the limited height subways, or the road under bridge or overbridge. So we have done 18 by making the limited height subways. The 9 level crossing gates have been made the interlock gate. So an interlock gate means a gate which has signal for train as well as a signal for the passenger. So in case of any problem, that if the brakeman has to open the gate due to any emergency, the train will get a signal and the driver can stop the train. So these interlocking systems are the higher level of safety for the passengers and the road users. So that also we have done 9 level crossing gate in the division. Again, going forward, because Voltaire division is a blue chip division of Indian Railway, and there are a lot of iron ore, bauxite. We have two port here, steel plant, one steel plant here, another steel plant in Jagdalpur. So catering to all those things, it is very essential that we have more and more sections and more train also can run, because we have a responsibility of running both man and material. So more and more passenger trains are also being introduced. On that front, we have done more than 66 kilometer of section as an automatic signaling section. So in automatic signaling section, what happened is that the previous system, between two stations only one train will run. But when the system is made automatically, then between two stations more than one number of train can also run. So that way we can run more number of train, and this is an advanced system which is being adopted all over India and in the other countries also, and Indian Railway is also adopting it as a faster phase. So we have done about 66 kilometer of section where we are able to now run more number of trains. When it comes to the passenger areas, I would just like to tell you few figure. The number of passenger when it comes to Voltaire division, this year we have done 334 lakh passenger has travelled on the Voltaire division. So it is 33.42 millions, and when it comes to lakh, then it is 334 lakh passenger has travelled over the Voltaire division. And when it comes to the goods loading, as I said, we have done the best highest of 85.09. So number of passengers are also highest in the history of Voltaire division, and number of loading also is highest. And this is all because of the hard work and support of all the stakeholders. Earning is same, growth is same in the reserved and unreserved sector. So that means the division is catering both to long distance passenger as well as short distance passengers who move on the unreserved ticket. The other coaching earning is again a very important part of the division. And here also we have done about 71 crore rupees through the other coaching earning, and our ticket checking earning has also increased compared to last year. Although in this part of the area, the Voltaire division is not known for a lot of people moving without ticket, but still our ticket checking staff has done the hard work, and they could get what they have achieved, but more than what they have achieved last year.